Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve glitch on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve glitch on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Then this list of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click manage storage if you don't want to clear your data here, as you see. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.